guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new, this is Temilayo and Mom channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, this is another video. You're very welcome. So guys, today has been like a very lazy day. I'm actually making this video very late. It was supposed to be something to make earlier, but I'm making it late because today was just something else. I ate late last night and the thing actually affected like my whole day. I was just constipating and it wasn't easy, guys. So I don't want to keep you all hanging, so I have to just do something. And what I choose to do tonight is actually a Q&A. I went back to the post I made concerning you asking me questions, and I actually found that some people came back to ask their questions. So I've gone around and I've picked like 7 questions that I'm going to be answering tonight. I just hope like this help you and I answer it like very well so you don't get to like guess me or anything. So guys, let's just get into it, okay? I don't want this video to be long. I know you don't want it to be long as well. So I'm going to start with Lean XV. Sorry, I'm very sorry if I don't pronounce it like very well. Lean XV. I'll put the name on the screen so it's easy to know. So she asked, how long does my chops stay crispy with the brush method that I do? She actually asked 2 questions, but this is just like one of them. And the second one is okay, she requested that I make accurate water measurements for the small chops mix, the liquid. Okay, I'm going to answer your first question, which is how if the chops remain crispy for how long. Okay, it actually stay crispy for like the whole day till you eat it. It only get cold, of course, but it remain crispy. And the reason it remain crispy is because of the corn flour. That's why you have to add the corn flour accordingly. Like, look at the measurement very well. Even if you are making a smaller quantity, just make sure you're using the right quantity. Corn flour actually makes food or snack crispy. Like, it gives it this very hard crunch you get. So corn flour does that job. You don't have a problem when you're using corn flour for your mixture. It keeps it very crispy. Okay, maybe one of these days I'll just like intentionally make a video. I'll fry like 2 to 3 of it and I'll just keep it there till evening and I'll show you how crispy it turns out. So don't worry about that. And the accurate water measurement, I'm working towards that. As soon as I make the video, I will send it, I will post it, and you're definitely going to see it. I will send the measurements. So let's move to number 2. Ever bright Rachel, yay, she congratulated us for 1,000 subscribers, for getting the email monetization and all of that. Thank you so much, sis. I appreciate you as well. So our question is how long have I been on YouTube? Not long anyway. The day I opened the email, I actually I wanted to use my personal email, but something just like, okay, this email, I have a lot of messages coming in there. Facebook, well, in fact, any other thing I've opened, all the message coming to my personal email. So I just thought of, okay, I would need a different email just so I can know, okay, this one is for YouTube and I'm not going to go through corners before I get my email, right? So I opened the email on the 23rd of September around afternoon, and immediately I just opened it. I opened my I just like started the YouTube stuff. What happened is, I think I had a video on my phone that I wanted to post, or I posted on my Instagram, and I don't know, the thing just happened. It was on the 23rd of September. That should be like almost 3 months back, right? 23rd of September this year, 2022. So I'm like 2 months plus on this YouTube thing. So yes, I hope I answered your question. So let's move to Jennifer Agumbiade. I'm sorry, girl, I'm sorry. So our question is, how do you maintain this beauty? Jenny, are you whining me? Like, are you whining me? Are you for real? Anyway, thank you so much. Oh, so I'm beautiful. Thank you, thank you. So let's move to the next question. Uh, Nafisat Odemo, I'll put the name out there, okay? She said, were you born in Osun State or just living here? No, girl, I wasn't born in Osun State. No, I wasn't. I actually came here October 2019. Yeah, I'm here by marriage. I didn't even like I've not been here before I got married, or I only visited before I got married. Just marriage, it's all surrounded in my marriage. I'm here because of marriage. So that's it. Yeah. I moved here 2019 and I've been here with my daughter all like since then. So I'm not born here. I'm just living here. Yeah. So, life of Queen Net. Firstly, before I answer this question, I'm going to like thank you. I've always seen you on my comments, watching my video, like giving me accurate comment and all that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you. As in, thank you. I don't even know how to go about it, but I just want to use this medium to appreciate you specially. Thank you, ma'am. So, your question is, how does tube? You actually said you see that I use tube body. Probably because I like my milestone post is from tube body. So you want to know how tube body works. The thing is, I used to use tube body like before I got to know about vidIQ. Like tube body was the only thing I, due to its the logo is red. I don't know if you understand. The logo is red, YouTube Studio is red, YouTube is red. So I thought they were family, and like TubeBuddy will give me everything that I need. But then I don't use TubeBuddy like I used to. I don't use it for most things that I use. But TubeBuddy gives like they update your milestone faster than the one I'm presently using, which is vidIQ. They update like immediately. vidIQ can take 3 days to send you notification that has long passed. You get. So what happened is I was actually just using TubeBuddy, but then I missed a lot of my milestone. I didn't get to celebrate it when I was supposed to. So I had to go back to my TubeBuddy just for that reason. So apparently I'm using TubeBuddy just to get the milestone image and all that. But vidIQ is my go-to app for YouTube, whatever I want to do, for editing tags, whatever. vidIQ is my go-to presently. So you ask she like Life of Queenette also asked, like she asked two questions there. She also asked, how do you batch, okay, sorry. So she asked, do you batch up videos as a busy mom and entrepreneur? Okay. Yes, I do, but I won't really call it like batch up. I just have 1 or 2 videos on my private, then I'll just make it public. But I want to actually be able to batch up, because sometimes I get too busy, or sometimes network will just like be frustrating. So when you batch up, it's actually going to help you in those days. Presently, I won't say I'm batching up. I'm just giving like almost what happened per day. But I really want to go into batching up. I really want to like have some days where I'll just make batch of videos and batch up. But the other reason why I'm not presently batching up too much is because I'm vlogging with my phone, and I only have that phone. Like I don't have 2 phones that I can just, so, and iPhone, I've run out of space, and I will need to make a video, edit it, upload it, delete it before I can make another. So it's like challenging, but I would really like to batch up. I will love it. Like if I have a free time, I would just like to make a video, edit it, but put it on my, upload it, and then make another. So yes, I will say I'm batching up, but not as much as I want to. Okay. So let's go down. Number 6, we have 2 more. Yeah. Ben Ola, you ask, what do you use to grate your carrots? Okay, I'm going to show you. So this is what I use to grate my carrots. I use this side. I'm sure almost everybody have this. Like, it's very, very affordable. It's like 200 naira, and it does a lot. It has this side you can use for potatoes, plantains, whatever. Just even carrots when you're making it stir fry and all that. You can actually use this part of it to get this what's it called, this shape thing. Okay, then you have this one for potato, you have this one for potato, and this one for plantain chips, whatever chips you are making. Then you have this one also. This one maybe you want to make okra, this very blended okra kind of thing. Then this one also you can use for okra, but this is what I use for, this is what I use for my carrots. Like, it comes in handy. Even if I'm going for events, I can just put it in my handbag and I will know I have it. So this is what I use. Ben Ola. So the last but not the least question is from Honor Linda. Okay, you ask, what if you can do the business you without refrigerator? Okay, Honor Linda is asking me if, like, you can go into, if you can't go into small shops without refrigerator. The thing is, you can, of course you can. As a student, I don't expect it to, I don't expect like students to have refrigerator in their house, because while I was in school I don't even have. But of course you can. The only reason I talk of batch making is because the way I am, I'm already like into it. I get tons of orders, right? And apart from that, vendors like me, small choice vendor, they contact me for on Friday one. So for me to be able to meet up, or for me to even be able to like do it fast, I just batch make and put in the refrigerator, which is my feeling, you get. But you can actually do it without refrigerator. All you need to know is to manage your time. Like, you want to make just a single order, you have to know how to manage your time. When you are waking up when you know you have like a morning order, like somebody might just contact you that they want food tray, whatever, you know you have a money order, you can actually make your filling the night before. And when you just leave it on the tray or in the frying pan, it's not going to affect it, it's not going to go bad, you get. So in the morning when you wake up, you just go ahead and roll your chops, do the whole thing and start frying. So it's not really compulsory that you can you have to need or have freezer or refrigerator to go into small chops business, but it will only save you time. It will save you time, and it will help you to like take more orders as time goes. So for a start, you can decide you don't want, as in you don't have a refrigerator, but as time goes, you don't need anybody to tell you what you need. You know what you need, and the refrigerator will be like one thing that you will notice you need the most. So guys, I hope I answered your questions. That's all for tonight. That's all for Vlogmas Day 6. Yeah. So thank you so very much for watching. I hope to bring you something really nice, like on my next upload. I have a lot of stuff going on presently. I have a lot of business stuff. You know, it's Christmas. I have like, okay, I maybe I haven't mentioned it on this channel, but I have like a very good chin chin um business. I sell chin chin in bulk. I do trainings and all that. So this is Christmas. It's like our season, chin chin vendor season. You get. So I'm already having like bunch of orders, like bags. People need bags of chin chin. Even people abroad, they are calling. Okay, and I also have like I make plantain chips. Not me, but I I have people that work for me on that. So I have a lot of orders. I'm making some deliveries tomorrow morning. I'm going to add the footage on my Vlogmas Day 7, so please don't miss it, okay? So guys, that will be all for tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you don't have a better time to do it but now. Click the subscribe button, like, comment and share. There's a lot going on this page, like a lot. You will gain, your friends will gain, so try and share to them so that they can benefit from anything that we do on here. On here is all love. Thank you so very much. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil, my life is forever gonna shine.